Imagine scaling a data warehouse from a handful of gigabytes to petabytes in a few clicks. And not just file fragments spread across mounds of servers. I'm talking actual structured data that you can leverage complex analytical SQL queries against. Column-oriented, OLAP-optimized relational data, meaning it's fast, and being built on a scale-out cloud-based architecture keeps it fast, even at massive scale. Amazon Redshift is an exciting cloud-based data warehousing platform, perfect for folks already familiar with SQL-based databases and languages. Join me, Russ Thomas, in a dive into Redshift. You'll build your own data warehouse, get familiar with the architecture, learn how to query, load, secure, and manage your own cluster in a demo-heavy, fast-paced course. And if you have a background with SQL Server, Postgres, or MySQL, you're going to be amazed at how familiar it all feels. Either way, I don't like spending a lot of time lecturing, so if you want to actually get hands-on you will. Whether you've been using the cloud, AWS, or this is your first experience with any of this, come join me in this course and add some legitimate Redshift experience onto your resume.